Hello, my dear Bacha Bati. Welcome to the another lecture of Standard 6, chapter number 2nd. Clear? So, today we are going to start our next topic from the rough edge. Clear? Before go through the further lecture, let's recall what we had studied. In the previous, we had completed the water, after that protein, vitamins and many more the things. If you had not seen the previous video, go in the playlist and watch the video. If you are watching this content, you can get easily each and everything. सब कुछ आसानी से मिलेगा because सब आसान है. Clear? So, what is actually roughage? Actually, roughage and the water both are needed to our body, but it is not provide any of the vitamin, protein or the energy. But when we eat any of the thing, the water is taking out all the nutrients from the particular things. Even that water is also help to maintain our temperature. Even also what we eat in the form of urine and the sweat, the waste product can be removed with the help of water. Even our cells or whole body is made up of the water, means 70% of our body is made up of water. Without water, it is not still alive. Clear? Now, actually what is roughage? Roughage is not provide the particular any of the protein, vitamin, fats, carbohydrate, nothing they are providing. But roughage are indigestive thing, but it is also help to digestive all the things. Means if you eat any of the things, clear, and if they are not able to digest, so roughage are going to be help them, and it is a help to the prevent from the particular constipation. Clear, bacha bati? Now, on which things the roughage are available? So roughage is available in the folder particular diets. Folder means for the things which is eaten by the animal, like you can say the peas chana, the horse is eating the black chana. Clear? So human are also eating. So how it's also called the roughage? Because in the particular piece you are getting the protein, but except protein there is a huge amount of roughage are also available. Here, bacha bati. So what I had written here, let's look it over here. So roughage is also called what? It's also called the dietary fibers. Why it is called dietary fibers? Because it is help to our digestive system, bacha bati. They consist in indigestive plant carbonate called cellulose. Clear? So in the roughage there is a presence of what? Cellulose, and cellulose is mostly eaten by the what? Animal present in the plant. Clear? Now, what is the source of actually the roughage? The source of roughage is salad. So salad means you are eating the kakdi, clear? Even that tomatoes, फिर दाना भाजी आप खाते हो जो means corianders. Okay, so many of the things which is we are using in the salads are mostly there is lots of portion available on the roughage, so they are helping to our digestive systems. Clear? Even that vegetable, fresh fruit, means the things which we are eating, on that thing we are getting the minerals, proteins, vitamins, fats, everything we are getting. But even that, with the help of these things, we are also getting more roughage, and they are going to be help in the digestive systems. So how the roughage is going to be a function? Look at here. Roughage is essential component for our body. Essential means the necessary, most zaruri component to our body. Clear? And aid to its bulk. And when we eat the roughage, it is the loads of, because we are not eating the single thing. We are eating the loads of the things. Like in the salad, we are not eating only kakdi. We are eating loads of the things in the salad. Clear? So each and everything, there is a presence of the what? Yes, bacha bati, roughage. And that roughage is in the bulk amount, बहुत ज़्यादा भी आपको मिलेगा. Clear? So roughage does not provide to our body. रफेज हमारी बॉडी को प्रोवाइड नहीं करेगा. क्लियर? रफेज हेल्प आवर बॉडी टू get rid of undigested food and so help to prevent constipation. How they are help? The things which is not digest to our body, जो चीज हम digest नहीं कर पाते, so roughage is going to be a help through that things. उसे दबाएगा, उसके अंदर से जो प्रोटीन है वो सब निकाल देगा, and they are what with the our waste things. When we are removing the waste things, they are also helping on that way. Clear? So it is what prevent for constipation. Constipation means simple कब्जियत हो जाती है ना. Clear? So it's a constipation. Now balanced diet. So what is balanced diet? Before go through this, let's explain that what is actually a balanced diet. So simple that balanced diet. Before go through the balanced diet, let's assume that in the lunch time or in the dinner time, what we are doing? Yes, bacha party, we are eating, but is it we are eating the one thing? No, we are eating the lots of the things like rice, dal, even that the sabji, बहुत सारी चीज हम खाते हैं. Why we are eating the too much different type of variety we are eating? Yes, because of getting the nutrients. Because in the rice we are getting the carbohydrate. In the dals we are getting the vitamins. So different type of materials or the different type of component through which we are getting the different type of nutrients. Okay, so balanced diet is simple that we are getting the nutrients from the different type of material. Clear? So the total amount of food which a person eat during entire day is called their diet. Clear? So what total amount of food in whole day, what we are eating? We are eating many of the things. Clear? So we are eating particular bread, jam in the morning, even lunch time in the different thing, even that night time in the different thing, and even that in the evening and the particularly morning and the noon time. दोनों के बीच में भी हम बहुत कुछ खाते हैं, उसके बाद भी हम कुछ खाते रहते हैं. Clear? So what we are eating in the whole day, it's our diet. Clear? Diet contain proper amount of all the nutrients. What diet contain proper amount of all the nutrients. Clear? So diet means what? That we had already studied that in the whole day what we are eating, they are that our diet, and from that things which we are eating, we are getting the all type of nutrients. Clear bacha baat? So balanced diet include, now balanced diet is include what? Which things the balanced diet included? So balanced diet included energy rich. Clear? So from that balanced diet what we are getting? Energy, and the energy means what? Fats and the carbohydrate. Tissues building. Tissues building means what? Protein. What we are eating, in which we are getting the proteins. Muscles banate na, like this. Clear? So protective, it's what? It's a vitamin, minerals, vegetables and fruits. Protective means a simple that if there is a lack of vitamin, we are getting lots of disease. Means vitamin A means there is a blindness. Clear? So with the deficiency of a vitamin, we are getting what? Any of the disease. So it's known as what? It's a protective. It is now balanced diet is not the same for everyone. Even that if you are thinking about small child, they are eating little bit less. Clear? Even that they are eating different thing. Elder child eating different thing, little bit more, and the person who are working or they are labor. Clear? They are eating the too much like particular energy building foods. Clear? So it is not same for everyone, not same everyone. Clear? Depend on age, gender, types of work, what type of work we are actually doing. Clear bacha? So it is simple that balanced diet is what? the things which we are eating at whole day is known as what? It's our balanced diet. And our child, which is very small, so they need to grow with rapidly, so they are eating what? That type of diets, means they are eating the protein. Even that the pregnant mother or the nursing mother, they are feeding their small baby, so they are also need what? Protein types of foods. And the labor which is working very hard, they need what? The energy type food, means they need fats and the carbohydrate types food. Clear bacha party? But if you are eating lots of fat, then it is also there is a lack of vitamin, or we can say it also the disadvantages to us. How and what? Let's watch in the further slide. So take a screenshot or write in your book, bacha party. So this is our next slide. So I had told you that excess amount of food, it is also disadvantages. We know very well that if we are eating anything which is excess amount, then it is very disadvantage. अगर आप ज़्यादा खा लिए तो एक जगह पे पड़े रहोगे. Clear? Like if we are eating the excess amounts of fats, and we know very well that how the fats are comes from. If you are not if you don't know, go in the playlist and watch the video. In the previous video, I had told each and every point and each and everything with the simple and easy way, so you can understand better way. Clear bacha mati? So fats comes from the word oily thing, and we know also that oily thing or the fast food are very tasty in the eating, but there is a lack of nutrients, or we can say loss of the nutrients. So if the excess amount of that oily things can cause obesity. Obesity means motapa ho jata hai. Clear? So if there is obesity, then such type of disease, the obesity persons are suffering from the heart disease. Means अगर कोई मोटा भी है, so it is not like that there is suffering from obesity, but their body is must be fit. कोई भी सिचुएशन में बॉडी आपकी फिट होनी चाहिए बच्चा बाटे. Clear? Now another thing is that loss of the nutrients in food. How the food can lose the nutrients? As we know that any of the food there is a all type of nutrients are available, but mostly you had heard that thing that in the apple most the person are just taking out the upper portion, उसकी जो छाल होती है रेड कलर की वो निकाल देते हैं, and then they are eating. But all the nutrients and the vitamins are present on that portion only. So when you remove that thing, there's a lots of nutrients. Even that when you wash the any of the product, yeah, on that time also some of the amount they lose the nutrients, but too much time if you are washing the thing, they are lost there. What? Yes, nutrients. Okay, look at here. What is that? Nutrients avoid below the surface. Clear? So nutrients are available what? Below the surface. Below the surface means there is the upper portion, there is a अब छाल बोलते हैं ना वो है. Clear? In the down portion there is available of all the nutrients. Washing the food lose the nutrients elements. If you are washing the food, clear? So they are what? Lose the element. Yeah, there is need to wash the food, but not too much excess amount. Like nowadays, there are most of the person are washing with the use of the soap. Clear? हर टाइप के सोप होता है, उससे वॉश करते हैं. Clear? साबु और उससे शैम्पू से. So if you are using that of the things, there is a lack of the nutrients. Even that it is also damage to our body also. If some amount of soap is available to that food, and if we eat that food, then it causes many of the difficulties to our body. Example. Okay. Now how the nutrients are getting out? Clear? वो loss कैसे होते हैं? Look at this. Vitamin C get easily destroyed during the cooking. Clear? If you are cook any of the things which is showing the taste, there is a, we know as that in the sure taste food there is a presence of vitamin C. If we cook the too much the things, the taste of that particular product is gone. Clear? So vitamin C is easily lost from that food. Even that, if we fried the things, or if we cook the things very speedily with the high flame, so with the high flame the product can be cooked but the nutrients is lost. Clear? And in the, if we are getting too much water in any of the product, आपने कोई भी ज्यादा पानी ले लिया कोई भी प्रोडक्ट बनाने के लिए, बना के बाद आपने वो पानी को फेंक दिया, क्लियर? सो उसकी वजह से भी क्या होगा, there is a loss of nutrients. So there is a loss of the things through which the nutrients are going to be lost. Clear? So be aware from that. Now deficiency disease, what is that? Person lack of nutrients for long time cause deficiency. Means it's not like that in the one day if you are not eating the vitamin A type product or protein or any of the fats and carbohydrates, if you are not eating, then there is a lack of the deficiency. If you are not eating for a long period of time, suppose that if you are not eating for a 1 month, clear? So इन द 1 मंथ, उसके पहले तक हमारी बॉडी इस तरह से कि बहुत सारे प्रोटीन वो एक जगह पे जमा भी रखते हैं, क्लियर? बट आफ्टर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दे ऑल द कंज्यूम, वो यूज हो जाते हैं. आफ्टर दैट देयर इज द लैक ऑफ व्हाट, डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ सच टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एंड द डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स कॉज एनी ऑफ द डिजीज. क्लियर? सो not getting enough protein cause stunted growth. Stunted growth means what? आपकी हाइट वहीं पे रुक जाएगी, लंबे या कुछ भी ग्रोथ आपकी बॉडी में होना चाहिए. Even that, not even our body only just growing in our height. In each and every portion of our body are growing. Clear? So if you are not eating the protein type food or any of the food which give us the growth, if you are not eating such a product, clear? So our growth is going to be a stop, वहां पे stopped हो जाएगी. क्लियर? चाहे वो कोई भी बॉडी का कोई भी हिस्सा हो या फिर पूरी बॉडी ही क्यों ना हो. Swelling of face, swelling of face means is look like you are old person. Discoloration of hair means the color of your mostly hair is black, but if there is a lack of any of the nutrients, or hair is going to be converted into the white, means what? The color of the hair is gone. Skin disease and the diarrhea also caused due to the deficiency. Clear? Now deficiency, okay, I will make it highlight over here that lack of nutrients long time cause deficiency. Not getting enough protein cause stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin disease and diarrhea. In the skin disease there is a lots of skin disease. Yeah. There is a itching problem, फिर white there is a white spot on the skin. Many of the problems are there. Yeah. But mostly white spots are comes from what? That if you are eating the onion, and with the onion, if you are eating the, if you are drinking the milk, onion के साथ milk पी लिया, then also it is caused. Clear? So be aware from this. Deficiency of carbohydrates and fats, carbohydrate and protein. Clear? If there is a deficiency of carbohydrate and protein, carbohydrate is what? Energy food, and protein is the growth or the body building food. Clear? Cause what? Growth stop, lean and thin means एकदम पतला हो जाता है इंसान. Clear? And may not be able to move, means if there is a lack of energy and the protein, then you feel very lazy, हाथ में कमजोरी आ जाएगी, even that you are not able to walk, and there is a loads of the problems are arise. Okay बच्चा बाटी, take a screenshot or write in your book. So we are moving the further slide. So welcome to the another slide of this. Yeah, and from this slide you are become the sum of the portion become the doctor. ये जानने के बाद आप डॉक्टर बन जाओगे. Even that डॉक्टर तो आप ये चैप्टर में बनते ही गए हो, लेकिन ये चीज आप संभाल के रखना. ले बचा बाटी, तो कभी भी आपको काम आ सकेगी कि आप सिम्टम्स को देखोगे तो अपने आप बता पाओगे कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो ये चीज हो रही है, इवन दैट बाइटिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स, तो आप अच्छे हो जाओगे। क्लियर? सो हमारे नन्हे डॉक्टर का फिर से स्वागत है हमारी नई स्लाइड के अंदर। ओके, सो लेट्स रिकॉल दैट व्हाट वी हैव स्टडीड इन whole chapter, that in the vitamin A, here if there is a loss of vitamin A, so which disease is that? Loss of vision, and this is very common to nowadays. Clear? Mostly सब use करते हैं आई spectacles और सब, and doctors are saying what टीवी और उसके बाजू में बैठने से प्रॉब्लम आ रही है। Clear? Yes, is it the another factors that with the high beams of light when they comes to our eyes, तो वो प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करती है। बट अनदर फैक्टर इज विटामिन ए। इफ देयर इज अ लैक ऑफ विटामिन ए, देन देयर इज अ लॉस ऑफ विजन आल्सो। नाउ सिम्टम्स इज व्हाट? पुअर विजन, दिखना कम हो जाता है, लॉस ऑफ विजन इन डार्कनेस, इवन दैट समटाइम कंप्लीट लॉस ऑफ विजन, दिखना बंद हो जाता है। क्लियर बच्चा बात? नाउ विटामिन बी, इन द प्रीवियस वी हैड स्टडीड out of the syllabus also that vitamin B1, B2, B3, B12 and many more. Clear bacha bade? But here we are just going through the vitamin B1. Clear? So vitamin B1 is cause what? Beriberi. Beriberi means inflamed or lips, मतलब होठ सूजा देता है। Even that weak muscles and very little energy to walk. If there is a beriberi cause, then our energy is what very going to be a lack of energy, and we are not able to do proper work. Bacha body. Okay, vitamin C is cause screw, and through which bleeding come. Mostly bleeding come cause for vitamin C. मतलब कि दांत के अंदर से खून निकलता है। Clear? Worms to take a long time to heal. Even in vitamin D, there is a ricket. Its bone becomes soft and the bend. If there is a lack of vitamin B, then our bone is very soft. We are not able to move properly. Clear? So in most of the time in the winter season, or even that any of the season, the morning light of the sun is very useful to us. When they fall to our skin is made what? Vitamin D. अपनी skin vitamin D बनाती है। Clear बच्चा बात है? Now calcium. If there is a lack of calcium, then it causes what? Bone and tooth decay. Clear? There is a problem in our bone, and even that our tooth is going to decay. दांत गिर जाते हैं। Clear? दांतों में प्रॉब्लम होती है। So weak bone and tooth decay. If there is a iodine, clear? Iodine means देश का नमक, iodine नमक। Clear चवाटी? So it's called goiter. If you remember that at first there is a advertisement like देश का नमक, आयोडीन नमक, बच्चों में ये कमी होती है आयोडीन की वजह से, नमक खाइए, like that, and they are giving the picture of goiter, गला सूज जाता है, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम होती है मुंह में सब में। क्लियर? सो ग्लैंड इन द नेक, गला सूजना, appear swollen, mental disability in child if the pregnant woman are not eating the proper amount of iodine, not directly eat iodine, it is dangerous, iodine namak type. If there is a lack of iodine in the baby, small baby, then there is a mental disability are also over there. Clear? Now iron तो सर वो है नहीं, iron तो बहुत है, हम ये पढ़ेंगे बच्चा वाटी। So iron cause is what? Anemia, and with the anemia there is a weakness, even that anemia is what? There is a lack of blood also. Clear बच्चा वाटी? So here we are just ending our whole chapter, and here our chapter is completed. So hope so you had watched all the video. If you are watching all the video, then your all the concept must be clear. Challenge है बच्चा बाटी, बहुत इजी से समझा है और बहुत इजी से लिखवा भी दिया है कि आपको कभी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। Clear? So write it and tune with us. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. And stay tuned with us and goodbye बच्चा बाटी। So मिलते हैं हमारे अगले लेक्चर के अंदर।